Welcome to another episode of Junior Kanye TV. I am Ntlanhla Sechele. On my left, I've got Junior Kanye. On the right, I've got Michael Nkambule. This episode is brought to you by WSB. That is World Sports Betting. Hashtag bet with the best. Hashtag WBS. We are going to be unpacking what is currently happening in the state of the Betway Premiership. What should we look out for as far as the CAF Champions League is concerned? We know Mamelodi Sundowns has gone through the quarterfinals and they are in action this Friday. But they are in action again tomorrow. But Lalale Obit. Obit, that is the team that Munapule Saleng was in shortly before he went to join Mamelodi Sundowns. Ex-Gents Kunjani.
Enhleki kunjani sister?
Ngikrend wena?
Ngiyaphila mfethu.
Michael?
Inhlekelelo.
Unjani?
Ngishaya bona.
Nishab. So, gents, we've got like this action that's coming up tomorrow. But before we get into that, Sundowns have once again shown resilience, consistency, courage, and they're not backing down anytime soon for anything. With the last encounter that they had against this Kukune, it was 3-1. And we saw the introduction of Munapule Saleng. He came in, provided assists, and those assists were converted into goals by Urenas. And Sundowns looks more dangerous now than ever before, since it's the second half of the season. What are your thoughts? Let's start with Michael.
Nhlanhla into engaqala ngayo kuqala ngiqala ukuyisho ngithanda ukubonga into eyenzile iPirates for uSaleng because ube nama problems ku-Pirates, understand?
Yeah.
And then bamluna and then iSundowns yeza yamthenga like azange bafuna kuma endleleni yakhe. Umkhuthuza ubuyile manje uzoyenza into ayithanda ukukhuthuza abantu. I think uSaleng ngasiplayer kumele vele ngabe lidlalela iOrbit. Uziprovile kuPirates ukuthi he's a big player, man.
Yeah.
We understand. So mina into engihappy ngayo, I'm happy for him. Would like join Sundowns azodlala ibhola like naye happy. I don't think ukuthi ku-Orbit he was that happy, you understand? So into enokubulala ama players. So mina into engihappy ngayo ngishayela iPirates izandla ukuthi bakwazi bamala phela kube bekwenye iclub Nhlanhla bengeke imthengise ngabe ukhompyutha neSundowns ngabe banike esinye star player if bekwabanye abantu. So into engishayela iPirates izandla ngayo lapha azangifuna ukuthi ilwe nomfana like iyenzile personal. Yeah.
Thabo.
Yeah, Nhlanhla, mina Pirate made it difficult for the boy, if you can be honest. This boy Pirates being Amdlanisi, and then they call him Mamsanis another 2 years, and then he loan him. Mamsanis 2 years, and then Ifungamni do some loan. So I think the Pirates, if they need exactly the boy, bebamfuna. Bang release to Mamle, especially we talking about the Mamle Sundowns, people that they're competing now, in terms of the quality this season.
Yeah.
Skhuluma nge-star player, compliment to that guy. I think he's got a strong heart. Mancane ama-player in the world, Nhlanhla uthola ukuthi une-character, yabona. Yes, we differ ngama-players. Mina omunye umuntu ngathanda ubani omunye athanda ubani. Let alone that, but the boy he's got a strong character, mindset yakhe. I think ulemfana strong, yabo.
Yeah.
And also matured ngoba umunye umuntu kuya ku-Orbit iPirates ne-Orbit asikhulume nje ngama-facilities not even coming close. Yabo Pirates yonke into nje is a big team in the continent, one of the biggest team in the continent. And iPirates mfethu uyabona akekho umuntu ongafuni, everybody is happy. We talking about players, akekho umuntu ongafuni dlalela iPirates, they're winning trophies. So now we want to create a legacy by signing for the Pirates, for your kids, not for yourself. Also Mnyango national team currently they dominate for a national team. So lamfana unenhliziyo yabona, and though mina makajoin iSundowns Sundowns is a system team. They had players such as Abu Masego, similar type of Usaleng.
Sure.
Dlala similar ngokufana. Yes, uMasego ukuthi ufike ku team so many high profile players yabona, and seasoned players, not youngster abadlala ngama youngster Sundowns. Kunamfana njengomabhena is more of individual brilliance. Yimela ama-player individual brilliance. Kuna ama-player njengo-Lodge. I think Lecture for me also is better than even Munapule. That's for me. Yes, it's difficult to compare players, but the truth is for me, I'll say Lodge. I mean, the boy has proved himself several times. In fact, it's yabona, and a credit to him is not been developed properly. He is not developed properly. And he's got a strong character. Also Bafana did very well. I remember playing against Egypt. Now we are winning country. You're playing there when your country. You do very well, and you are good up World Cup whereby we have my cases. Ngendaba ze-sister and stuff. Credit to that boy. Though Munapule Saling take nothing away from him, the guys did very well for himself. So it's Sundowns. All I'm saying is a system team. Now my player was 70 lodge. Letting
Yeah.
go lodge. Letting go Umabaso.
Yeah.
Umabaso. Yabo. Letting go this boy Umapen, one of the brightest talented player in South Africa. Bamdlalisa ku TTC. I don't understand. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uMunapule Saling bazomdlalisa kanjani, because uKados is the one who released this guy yena Mabaso, also uThembinkosi Lodge Mapena, he's the one who can use, because una ama player njengabo Khutlwana Lihlako. So ngifuna, all I'm seeing mina the boy started very well. Make no mistake, udlale phela bawinile game. He came,
Basically, yes.
he changed. We need to make
Because it was 1-1.
because
when
that
he
boy
came in.
enye into ayiphethe, I don't think is more of akusumfana ngizomlabela nje kahle, is more individual, is technically very good, it's got speed, unento abanye abantu abanganayo. We understand menza special, we understand, and the score weight matters mostly.
Yeah.
Yabona, and kuma big games. So go to Sundowns, you must be a player or a team player. You must be a team player. They don't rely abamthanda umuntu more individual. They play as a team, they defend as a team. Bazomenza impact player.
Yeah.
Going forward. That's for me, watching the boy go. Start kahle, make no mistake. Because kumapena bekanongena bamshaya izandla necrowd simbone, except the crowd. That boy in Nzima ngicela ungitshele special player le. Ngeke ngambona even before signing by Sundowns. And uLodge beyangabanceda. So uSundowns kuzoba nenkinga between the coach, especially when the coach is there. Ngendlela abadlala ngayo is a system team. They defend as a team, they press. They don't allow individual brilliance much. Bazomenza it player whereby they need him bambize benchini and then bamfaka bafuna bachintshe igame. And ngeke yenzeke le yanto yenze ngalela langa each and every
Every
game.
time. Yeah.
So the question is bazokwazi ukumsebenzisa kahle na. Singafulwa ile yalo ile first game mhlawumbe.
Okay, but everything does happen ngesikhathi sakhona. So possibly yes bamfakile and then bambona ukuthi wenza kanjani, and they saw that he can win games, and
Yeah.
I think Sundowns at this point in time they are in a situation where they would need a player like Saling to come in and score and win games for them, more especially with their tight schedule. Ngoba schedule yabo is quite pressed. Bayadlala Tuesday, bayadlala Friday, and they're playing in two different it's a domestic cup as well as Ilona, an international game where in the CAF Champions League. So maybe it's Kalasake for now. It will be that. And then depending how the next season goes, he may be that star player that Sundowns needed at this very point in time.
Make no mistake, they needed the guy. Question with bazomsebenzisa na.
But nakho bakwazile ukubona
Ngegame
ukuthi
eyi-one.
if no igame eyi-one, but what I'm saying is maybe that's what they need for now, a player like himself ukuthi abawinele ama games, and then kukho lokho kunye they can still focus on the CAF Champions League, bazofocus on the Betway Premiership.
Hlanhla ile nto engisho kuwe ngithi banomabhena mfethu. Ngicela ubhekele ekele DDC lo mfana given a platform.
Yeah.
Alazi bona. You are inhlanhla talented lamfana. Kunesisho sithi only good has been given a chance. So Michael if asimboni are talented, it's going to be difficult. The reason we see really what is achieved because he's been trusted by coaches and technical teams. Simbona bamnika game time. And also Thembinkosi Lodge njoba ngisho. You had the player has proven even good Club World Cup. He has how many derbies he has scored?
Yes.
Yeah?
He will come in and score in the derby. He is a confident player.
Champions League bomnida
like Usho Juno, sometimes if the coach does not see you, plans in work, there's absolutely nothing. And sometimes it's a blessing in disguise. Because look at him now. Because if Begagu Sundowns, he could have been loaned to another team and be more frustrated there. But wherever he went, he decided to step up and show us who he is and what he can do outside of in South Africa. So Giabonagalisa vele ukuthi mentally he's a strong player and he can play like in different conditions everywhere.
That's why I need go. Make no mistake, the boy Simshalis. I won the first game, but we needed a game. I don't care about Nutin. He won the game. He came individual brilliance, he throw, defender.
Yeah.
Uletin Tebe is Sundowns. Not to say they don't have Kutlano, Mapena, Jobangisho. They this Masego boy. Bafana did very well.
Yeah.
Did very well for Supersport. Bazanga was with amazing people. It was funny because Masego Bafana was called regularly. I'm saying this to coach also. Yeah. ngikhuluma ngabo World Cup qualifiers, and not only in friendly games, scoring that boy international, and then comes Sundowns, men's impact player where la kunzima khona, and then they pray. So it's difficult, and akusiyo Mikel Cardoso kuphela. I'm talking about when Mangoba was there as well.
Yeah.
Also, Yesurulane bekanokumthi, I think he had believe in him.
Yes.
And Sundowns, they believe, yazi inhlanhla njengoba ngisho ngendlela abadlala ngayo. I think the name say Pian and Shushan, bana this thing ye philosophy, like they want players who must start passing, short passing. Like bafuna defend, bafuna umuntu okwazi ukudlala defend. They don't mind to play without wingers. So Napoli going forward, uzobona upadi pants. Serious, they need that boy for Champions League. He's got a strong Mara. Uzobona bo men's impact player.
Okay, Michael, we're talking about a player whose life has turned around from Orlando Pirates. There's been circulations and speculations across social media and all online platforms regarding Sipho Mbule, whether he was injured, whether he's coming back, he's not coming back. And then I think we've seen that he's back in training with Orlando Pirates. So the rumors or whatever speculation that was out there could be true that Uboy Begalimele, it had nothing to do with what other people are saying. He is training and usane contract with Orlando Pirates. According to what we know is that a contract yake corner until the end of June, and a renewal could be negotiated in the month of May. What do you think of him now that we are on the second half of the season? Pirates is doing well, neck and neck with points as far as E-League is concerned, and a chance to increase their their points, because Sundowns is playing on Friday and they're playing in the CAF Champions League. Pirates is playing at home. And they're playing on Saturday with Siwelele, but they still have a game to go through with Richards Bay. But what do you make of him being a player, his contribution, now that it's so crucial, the second half of the season? Mabanga Mbuisa, do you think he can turn things around for you and the Pirates?
Ndladla into engingayisho mina ngoSipho Ndladla empilweni like the way siphila ngakhona Ndladla into ozoziyenza into abazokujaja ngazo Ndladla uSipho naye angeke ukuthi nathi sonke asazi like bekwenzakalani sambona emagamini.
Good, he was injured and now he's back on training. That's something that came from his agent. This was confirmed by his agent. So we're seeing him coming back. Could that be the truth? And could he be that player that Pirates needs to actually clinch this title?
Ndladla iqiniso kumele selikhulume Ndladla uSipho Mbule is the best player. Yiki midfield lesinayo ifana noSipho. uSipho mina into engihlala ngisho if you discipline utrainer kahle, I don't think ikhona into engastop uSipho eSouth Africa, because if you can check we wonke lama teams asinayo midfield efana noSipho. Like i-football IQ yakhe mani ikwelinye izinga, but the problem is once you start uba ill-discipline Ndladla asisalandeleli talent kakhulu yabo sesobheka lento ezinayo, understand. That's why namanje i-agent yaconfirm ukuthi ulimele, but wonke umuntu bekathi Pirates ngathi ifuna ukuterminate i-contract yakaSipho in nani because angadlali, understand. Angeke sibablame into oziyenzeleyo yona, understand mina Ndladla. But mina for mina uSipho is the best player, league player, even na for Bafana Bafana. I don't see any player bench uSipho Mbule if bamniki chance, if focus discipline. I think that guy like South Africa man, he right talent efana ngiyakhe.
Junior, you speak too much about Sipho Mbule's talent. You speak so much about the boy, be it national team, be it at Orlando Pirates. He started light training with his team. He's back, and hopefully uzoqala ukudlala. Do you think vele ukuthi uyile player leli Pirates elidinga kumanje as things are standing so tight between them and the number 2 in the log?
Ndladla ngizoba ethi ngibeke kanje, eSouth Africa siphila komunye umhlaba. Once you mabanga ngithola ngiyenza isini,
sure,
bese ngihamba ngisave isentence. For instance, ngenza example, if ngishaya intombazana ngencindi akusinto right, akusukuthi we promoting something or ngilwa nomunye umuntu bahamba bangibophisa and then kuba ne-assault, ngi-save 7 years.
Sure.
Mangibuya abanye abantu bazothi nase esigebeni, amehlweni abantu sesesigebeni. Le nto le identity reputation eSouth Africa, I think yes. Ithi ngikade uNkulunkulu abantu abanjengabo Sipho Emmanuel Scarango bese this goes on abalast too much. Baning you see players that they are hardworking, disciplined, dedicated. I think lento we need to go back even in the Bible. Kunemihlolo uNkulunkulu usuka edlulisa kancane ngamabomu. Thina singasho uSipho ukuthi akabe disciplined, dedicated, uthola ukuthi uNkulunkulu nedlo zakhe abafuna. The more if you can be dedicated and you can die. because angachieve izinto ezingachieve abanye abantu. Yabo angisho ukuthi ngipromote lento eshiwo siphi deep kakhulu lento engiyikhulumayo ngicela
Yeah.
look at them Masibusane Zongo, the list goes on, they don't last. Yabo Gift Lerime, the list goes on njengoba ngisho yabo.
Yeah.
Ama-player njengala bona abo Michael, I will say the list goes on abalast uNkulunkulu suwenza ngamabomu because ababaphi lenhliziyo ayala ama-player lawa alasta a long time. Yangami ngoba is so extremely talented. Understand lo muntu the way acabanga ngakhona kusuye I think it's God. Yabo, so just go back eSouth Africa lo yamfana bazomjaja ngalezi zinto wazenza. Should he come late at training?
Even if there was traffic. Ngoba uye, it might be something linked to
Ufike late lo
his
mfana
past
5
behavior.
minutes.
Yeah.
Ulo.
Siyazi
We're
vele.
not surprised.
Yeah.
I'm not saying Pirates khona into
That
eshilo.
could be, yeah.
Angisho ukuthi khona into eshilo. All we had officially agent Mike Makap said Sipho Mbuli was injured.
Yeah.
Sharp so I believe asithathe leyo nto, but in South Africa sengikhuluma nje generally you're going to be charged ukuthi
Uke wayenza.
yes talented but but inhlanhla uqima
Yonke into.
uzosmashela i-team. Yabo, so umuntu unhlanhla uphile emhlabeni uphile enyameni. You are not the ancestor. Like umuntu eSouth Africa, I think we need to learn that asiphuma sidida into wrong nhlanhla. Yabo, especially ama-footballers we-struggling nhlanhla inzima kakhulu man. Nathi senza into wrong, can honest, yes isigwebo siyasinida, but if we severe isigwebo you are punished. Omunye umuntu akumelanga kujaji nhlanhla. Yabo ngoba nathi asijudge abantu. So all I'm saying, that boy Michael khulumini into mfethu umlabel talented. Effortless. Asisho best players around the world, mina believe with the talented players they can't train hard. Nangu Messi train hard. Yabo, training hard akusi talent, it's psychology. Nje bakutshela boy, just some extra simple, or you get a personal trainer simple. Usipho, if it can be played in best position central, not number 10. In Pirates and at Bafana.
Yeah.
You will live abroad. Noma ngabe age bathi usipho still futhi age is a society lakhe. Yabona into abayibona ngamehlo nhlanhla into ekhulunywa ngomlomo asifana. If somebody can recommend Sipho an agent scout, they come and see Sipho playing at his best fit, injury free, ayeke imihlolo. Ngiyakutshela ngabona into.
So a player like him, Junior, if he was standing in front of you right now,
Yeah.
like what would you say to him?
Mina ngizomtshela nje amfeli awukoleti umuntu to drink alcohol. Can you drink up playing football? Shoes told me once that ngidlale naye. Awukoleti umuntu akunamuntu okubika ipistol la. That's number one. Second, you're not even anyone who data millions of girls.
Yeah.
They love because udlala Pirates and uSipho Mbuli, you're so popular. Mawungathanda zisonkosikazi oyi-1, I think izipho zakho zisekhulite kanje nomfazi wakho, simple. Whatever ungayenza namantombazane ungayenza emfazini wakho. Ithi imali ihlala endlini nje, simple. Boy, can you create legacy for abantwana bakho? Play this game izokuhafa, unganaki, just focus. Yabo, and uthole nama extras Sipho, do it. Akunankinga even extras, and I need imngane akusi must in football. Into engizomtshela now Pirates mawungayimosha ngithi uthi uyangibuza. If ungamosha iPirates now kusho ukuthi umoshile icareer yakho because they're so influential. Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns, because the profile, especially Pirates and Chiefs, let me put it that way. Sengikhuluma ngemedia or whatever. Should it then Pirates now angeke kufane nalesikhathi adente at Sundowns. He's going to be dead, buried alive, done. I can tell. Uzotavela nabanye abantu badala lo udlala ngecareer. Ahleli nabanaza boreke. Yena yolimaza nabantwana bakhe. Ngeke ilimaze yena kuphela ichain. So into engamtshela yona usipho ukuthi create legacy for kids. Idlale nje ukuthi kwenzakaleni isikhona. I'll prove anyone ngithi mina wena alungisa wena yekela abanye abantu. Izoqaqa abantwini izovele kwambeni isikhathi ukuthi usipho is living a clean life kunama results for the guy. You understand? And honestly usipho kumele ithathe serious even naye. He need inhlanhla singadeleli even himself. So that boy even mangabe kunesikanda sengisho ukuthi mangabe sikhona kulethe ngicela usipho naye I cancel. Yabona ene abonga idlo zakhe again abathola ama chance angawo. Yabona ukuthi Pirates ngakhuluma ngayo. So inhlanhla yamfana we need him in the country. Because the country is going to benefit, not only Sipho Bagambule, not only Pirates country. We're going to World Cup. He's going to play major role. So Sipho naye create isingo ukuthi nakusasa makava ingo sakhe man kube ne legacy for his kids.
Yeah. Talking about the legacy, we have a team whose legacy is a bit shaky at the moment, and fans baphume ngobuningi because bakhathele ukudliwa. The last 10 years we've seen at Kaizer Chiefs fan with Kaizer Chiefs addressing the issue yokuthi, but we are not the Kaizer Chiefs that we know. We're not living up to the mighty Buccaneers that we know. The mighty Amakosi that we know, the Glamour Boys that we know, Abafana Bathule Moxolo, Abafana that won most trophies are still won by Kaizer Chiefs in this country. And Kaizer Chiefs happens to be the biggest football brand in South Africa, and that is undoubtable. Now, we saw on Saturday in the news and making rounds, Wuti, Amafans Aile, Hambisi petition to go and speak to the management of Kaizer Chiefs to get rid of the 2 coaches that are currently there. We saw an interview where Kaizer Junior Mutawung was being interviewed by Robert Marawa, and he spoke that they are not going to get rid of the coaches. The fans are asking the coaches to leave. Michael, you played in that team. You know the glory days. Lento le kuze ifike la ifike khona kuze kanjani?
Nhlanhla mina into engingayisho cala nge-Chiefs Nhlanhla ne yabona Nhlanhla like ama-empires so akusukuthi uzohlala so
Yeah.
ne into like ebulala i-Chiefs kakhulu ile nto ukuthi ibe yi-family business kakhulu. Yeah, and abantu truly speaking bayithanda leya club Nhlanhla, but I think i-major rule ebulala lapha kakhulu ile nto ye-family business, because I don't think labantu laba banendaba nama-supporters. People abaletha imali phela i-Chiefs ngaphandle kwama-supporter nabo angeke badle, because those are the people abaletha isinkwa. Makuthiwe stadium yibo abagcwalisa istadium, but then end of the day mungakhona ukuzwa abantu abakusupportayo Nhlanhla. Yayibona ukuthi babuhlungu kuphi Nhlanhla. That's where like kuba ne-pain ebuhlungu for i-Chiefs, like njengoba kustruggle i-Chiefs Nhlanhla, like ne-South African football nayo izostruggle Nhlanhla, because we need ama-big teams. Bheka njengamanje sibuye ku-AFCON benganaplayer i-Chiefs,
Not even a single one.
you understand, and akusinte right even for our South African football lento leyo Nhlanhla yabo. But if bona bazitshela ukuthi bazoqhubeka kanje Nhlanhla, and izowa phela Nhlanhla nayo. Yeah,
So, Michael, but like it's happening for the second time in the space of 10 years. And this is, like we're saying, a biggest football brand in South Africa. What seems to be the problem? Do you think the problem is with the coaching? Do you think the problem is with the management? Should they then hire abanye abantu abazosebenza laphayana and like try and resuscitate the business to take it to where it needs to be?
Nhlanhla lento leyo akukhuluma enye into la stilana Nhlanhla, i-football kunalento abayibiza ngokuthi ama-former players bathi ama-legends.
Yeah.
Those are the people amele babe ku-structure lapha. Those are the people ekumele ba-advise uBrake with some of the decisions ento ezenzakalayo within i-club. But mangabe i-club njengoba ngisho Nhlanhla, i-decision izothatha uBrake, izothatha uKaizer Junior, izothatha uPoli.
Nina beninawo ama-legends the time nidlala nithi. I'll ask you as well. Did you guys have that influence from former players as well? And what makes you think, man,
Dr. Khumalo
it's
was then
important?
Ace Kusi.
They were there. And then Niskatsaku does the same thing as well.
Yeah, bebakhona, they were part of i-Kaizer Chiefs, even noma bebangekho ukuthi like, but they were part of i-Kaizer Chiefs, I understand, because it's easy nabo ukuthi banga-advise uBrake in terms of like njengamanje uyayibona i-Chiefs ingida singasho ukuthi ama-coaches, you can fire the coaches and bring the best coach, but if angeke umnike lento ayifunayo Nhlanhla, still kusazoba so Nhlanhla. I think i-Chiefs ayifani nokuthi like i-club encane. Those guys, they need to spend them, they need to bathole a-quality coach, umuntu ozoletha i-structure. You can see manje badlala ngathi omunye ujimali omunye ujimali Nhlanhla, you understand, akuna structure janje ngathi umuntu ofit uvela athi coach this week ready for ukudlala no coach naye vela change i-team kanjani, you understand. So they need i-structure lapha Nhlanhla. So banide umuntu ozothatha ama-decision, banide umuntu abazomnika i-blank check, yeah, as a coach ukuthi umuntu ahambe ufuna ama-player wafunayo azoba i-quality.
So a coaching as well as management ekumele change. So if you were to change anything about the management, bonga eda intenjani besides the former players?
Mina into ebengayenza kuqala mina bengaqala ngiqoshele management ekhona manje.
Usho ukuthi the kids of the family business must go.
Yeah, mina into ebengayenza bengizobabika aside and then ngapoint abantu abazoba
emsebenzini.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I understand, because if ungacheka manje ne uzothi uyacomplaina ifeni Chiefs bazokutshela ukuthi athina zange sethu support ama-team ayi-16 yangosupport, uyangi-understand into enjalo. Akusi this is not how kumele utreat abantu abakusupportayo Nhlanhla. Masikhuluma iqiniso, i-Chiefs is like this because of ama-supporters. Yeah, yibo abantu abagcwalisa i-stadium, soloko i-club idliwa Nhlanhla, but those guys baya e-stadium. Wena kuwe like awufeel i-pain ngale nto leyo. Chiefs
Say
Nhlanhla ina more than 5 sponsors, man.
Yeah.
Angeke sithi Chiefs
84, ne?
ina more than 5 sponsors
Oh,
Nhlanhla.
yeah.
richest team, yeah.
Kumele bayenze, they must sign a quality coach abazoyibhadala. They must bring in management abantu abazorun i-team manje Nhlanhla. Yeah, manje isikhathi change is good bayasho sometimes. Akusuke ukuthi babhede. Abamele sayidini kufakwa abanye abantu into iqhubeke Nhlanhla.
Thabo. Now ama-fans uChiefs akwatile mfethu ayangena laphayana eNaturena bacela ukuthi lama coach ethu ahambe, and I think one of the demands there was ukuthi before the next game iChiefs izodlala Sunday, ne, before the next game Chiefs bayacela ukuthi lama coach ahambe. And then uKaiser, what you know, well, this was before the fans went to eNaturena to actually ask ukuthi sicela labantu bahambe. Junior udlalela phayana, you were there, like we're saying, in the glory days. You know what's it like ukudlalela Chiefs and the pride that one should have makadlalela Kaizer Chiefs. But we're not seeing that through the players, and the management is also not coming to the party. But now it's also resulting in making fans angry.
I'm gonna say this, mhlambe first time kumile ngizoyikhuluma. Chiefs have got a spiritual problem. Okay, mangathola umuntu ozomtshela one on one, so not his kids. Ukuthi yeah, they deep kakhulu. Uthathela ibhale phansi namhlanje ubheka idate nesikhathi. They've got a spiritual problem which is sensitive. Ayifuna education. You can have all the diplomas, it goes with the spiritual problem. But mabangahlala naye one on one. Bam understand this good one team. Why the team, he will understand. But mina, that's my opinion.
Hi, but it's a very heavy opinion that you have.
We chat the light. Secondly, Nhlanhla, kunalento ebathi culture, yabona? Culture, you cannot bring, ngenza nje example wena uNhlanhla sitshele bakuthathe bakususela lapha kwakho bayenza umsebenzi kwelinye ikhaya for wena, but bakwenzela umsebenzi esentini kwelinye ikhaya. Ushuthi lapho kasithole, I'm gonna make a mix, yabona? Mawubuye izinto ziyohlangana intambo ready ungena ku blue, you understand? Nhlanhla wonke umuzi there's a secret, culture, umuzi nomuzi. Ibongo, that's why it's khona. That's why ngakakhanya kasithele okaNkambule. You understand the list? So umuzi nomuzi une culture. Because ukuthi kunabo khokho bakho bomkhulu bakho. So Kaizer Chiefs, they need to go back to the drawing board. Bang drawing board. Kaizer Chiefs mangilapha mina bekhona uRider Mfokeng under 19, which is a former player, a legend. There was Ace Nsweleng for go assist coaching under 17, also assisting Farouk reserve. There was Terra Sepua who played there under 13. There was Zima Peak coaching under 15. I'm talking about former players. There was Farouk, which is knowledgeable. With South African players, which just won the award. In terms of developing players around the country. Bebam award, I call Langa's Youth Life what yabo. Because he's proved himself. We should there's knowledge also in Abantabazi club. Who knows the culture. There was Dr. Kumar, the assistant first team. And Eskuse, assisting first team. Best players who played for Chiefs. Who understand exactly what against. Because with the board, there was Ted Dimitri who understand Daki more than young kid, which is the scholar. Farouk, he was a student because students are Ted. They started school, they understand players. So now tell me that board, how you wanna attack? So players that they used to bring it Kaizer Chiefs, they discuss what that as coming in development. There was no way you can bring a player go under 13 without discussing with Farouk. Bonke lama coach we head of development also assisting the first team. No Mushina, I think Benjalo nyakumbula before bang promote Mushina funguti in promote. Farouk used to tell us, I'm not gonna recommend you guys. There's a program ends every Wednesday. You play with first team, and then Melaban Bone, and then you go there. You're going to try and identify. So under 13, there was no different with under 15. Under 15, not different with under 13. Under 17. Under 17, not different with reserve. And then first team in the reserve, there's not the structure. The identity, philosophy is more or less the same. So but we brought those people as well. They are happy. I'm talking about former players. Go put Rumak Sherwa. They've got a say which players they need to play for Chiefs. Special players. Chiefs used to play. That's why about Drama Boys. They brought players so special. Chiefs can't play like Sundowns. Yabo. Pirates are played now. Ingazi mina Chiefs bedlala similar. Kunabo Rile which is abayi 4-5. You understand? Kunabo Mbule which is 4-5. Star players also plays the team. So that's why people come in numbers. They want that crowd because of how they play and they want trophies in style. So ziningi into ezidimela ungizwile Nhleks.
Ngizwile.
Yeah, ziningi into ezidimela akulimelanga into eyi-1 but le spiritual ungayideleki. Ubrakhe one day uzothi ahamba adibane nomuntu azomnyatha man. Sekazulile adibane nathi kunjani iproblem yakho 1 2 3 4 probably angisho ukuthi kuzoba njalo
Yeah.
uyibhale phansi is going to happen ngelinye ilanga and the problem will be solved because now enhlanhla you can have all the diplomas and stuff yabona walimala spiritual enhlanhla kusho ukuthi impande ikhawuthekile there's many people aba educated la abafundele ubudoctor and stuff ushoda ngento engane ukunderstand ukuthi ubuyaphi imvela uyangunderstand noma ngabe uyayazi uyikhohliwe uyangunderstand yeah makumele yenze ukuthi 178
So mele yenze uye as Ubrakhe.
no
not
ngichaza ukuthi inhlanhla that's my opinion akusinto.
Okay, guys, it's gonna get a bit heated with that one day, but we need to do predictions now. Ngoba sesoyivala, ne? Sundowns is playing tomorrow against Orbit College. Your predictions, sir?
Izowina Sundowns.
Is a win. Score?
Izowina. Score ngisithande kakhulu mara
Eshen wena usithanda iscore kakhulu. Hayi, yo, okay, Thabo, okay, score.
nangu umuntu ya
Wow, uthi nangumuntu.
nangu umuntu uright inhlanhla
Nangu Butoma score. Okay, ke Thabo siphi iscore sakho?
So ngiza kuputha. Yeah, I think 4-0 5-0.
Yeah?
Yeah, 4-5.
Nil.
Imvula izobina lapha ama goals. I think
Yo.
this guy Reina since he's back uzoyicana games when
Sure.
score 2 goals. And also Marcelo ngimbona khashaza. Ngibona nomshishi uzokora tomorrow.
Sure.
And there is a possibility to Debza for a long range.
Oh wow, so that is your 5.
Yeah, mangabe uDebza akakori le Leon mayibuye benchini izokhashaza.
All right.
5.
And then the Pirates iyadlala on Wednesday with Richards Bay. Yo, kuyowina bani? Okay, thingacela iscore ke.
Amstel badlala beze Amstel Arena
Badlale Amstel Arena.
nhlanhla ngithi mina kule season be careful of the Pirates nhlanhla the only problem about the Pirates into engiyibone ngayo ngibone ngegame yayo last year against iPolokwane City nhlanhla bazokushaya abantu iproblem yabo bakuri mara bazokushaya nhlanhla ndibonile iPolokwane City nga first half bese kunjani
Yeah.
yeah I think iPirates izodlula nhlanhla
All right. Nangu
Yeah.
Butoma score.
yeah
I'm not going to say score kule.
Okay.
Yabo. iPirates nje bashilo Michael ungabi neskat striker and ayikuthi abanaso bebanaso mabasa make a
Alright.
mistake by releasing him but asikhulume ngento abanayo
Yeah.
yeah this guy evident is going to score
Okay.
I see relay scoring as well
All right.
angeke ngisho ukuthi ngakhi score but relay is going to score and also evident and alomfana umrem is going to score so
So that's 3.
kuyoba
goals.
imvula baze arena
Baze Arena. Okay,
think,
let's get to the
it's
Friday
still
game
Friday.
quickly. Sundowns is in action in the CAF Champions League. Your score there?
nhlanhla yabona
Okay, ungathi score, sorry.
yeah ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo Sundowns kancane nhlanhla yabona uKaros uqala isilune
Yeah.
but I think manje angazi ukuthi bamtshelile lento kanjani but lento yakhe bekayenzele ukuthi ufuna ukurotate i-team kanti bekazoyibulala iSundowns nhlanhla yabona manje ne-striker sakho uReina sewubuye ngelinye form nhlanhla awubuye ngelinye form so mina for for i-Champions League abazodlula
Bazodlula.
abazodlula
Quarter final bayadlula.
badlula baya kusemi
All right.
futhi baya ku-final engathi bazoya ku-final.
Yo, okay.
they're going to win this tournament
Okay. Last game that we are going to get predictions for.
I think irepeat nje
Pirates and Siwelele.
uzodlula i-Pirates
it's going to be a draw. UCM yalazi bona. Yeah, it's going to make it Pirates. Uyenza ubunzima for Pirates draw le.
Okay. All right, guys, that is it as far as the Junior Kanye TV episode is concerned. Remember, this episode was brought to you by WSB, that is World Sports Betting. Hashtag bet with the best, hashtag WSB. We will be back next week unpacking all the games that we spoke about. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and commenting on the content. Until next time, go Fela, go San, Danko.
How many minutes did we toilet first?